Hey everyone, it's Tom here with thisonlineworld.com, and we're all having a fantastic day today. So with over $500 million in rewards paid out to members, Swagbucks is one of the most popular reward websites out there. It's also available in dozens of countries, and if you're looking for an easy way to start making money online, it's a very popular recommendation. But is Swagbucks legit and a good way to make money online, or is it a total scam? Well, I've been using Swagbucks for years, ever since college and my phone farming days, and in this Swagbucks review, I'm covering how it works, its true earning potential, and also some hidden tips and new features a lot of people don't know about that can help you maximize your earnings if you decide to use the platform. So let's get to it. All right, so just starting off really quickly, what exactly is Swagbucks in case you haven't heard of it before? Well, like I mentioned, it's a global reward website that's available in dozens of countries, and it's actually owned by ProDedge, which is a massive market research company that owns other popular sites like Inbox Dollars and MyPoints. And guys, this is really your stock standard GPT website. I mean, signing up is free. You just need to visit the website and enter your email, and then you create your account. And once you verify your email, you're pretty much off to the races and ready to start earning. What's also cool about Swagbucks is that in some countries like the United States, there's often a $5 or $10 sign-up bonus. So I'll cover that later in the video. But guys, again, super simple GPT website, sign up with your email, free to use, and then you can start earning in plenty of different ways, which I'll dive into right now. All right, so how exactly does Swagbucks work, and what can you expect in terms of your money-making options here? Well, let me just start off by saying that Swagbucks is super versatile. It has some of the widest number of offers out there and, ways to make money out of all the GPT sites I've tested and covered. So this section, I'm going to talk about some of the main ways to make money with the platform and, what some of the best ways are. And then I'm going to cover some newer features a lot of people haven't heard about yet. And so to just kick things off, one of the main ways you can make money with Swagbucks is, you guessed it, answering online surveys. And this is one of the main ways I made money with Swagbucks back in college. And I'll show you a dashboard here on my Swagbucks account that I made recently. And you can see again, like some of the surveys pay 10 cents, 50 cents, some pay upwards of $1. A lot of them are in that, again, like 5 cent to maybe 75 cent or $1 range. Again, it's pretty simple to use. You just look through the available surveys, you click the ones you want to answer. It tells you a time estimate as well as how many points you'll receive. I will say that survey disqualifications can get a bit annoying. Like you might start a survey and then get kicked out after a few questions. So just keep that in mind. It can be a little bit annoying, although you usually earn a 1 Swagbucks bonus for attempting a survey. All right, and moving on from surveys, another really popular way to make money with Swagbucks is to download different games it promotes. And really, this is where some of the best Swagbucks offers are and where some of the real money can be made. I mean, just looking through my games tab here, you can see there are, for one, tons of different games you can download in genres like card, puzzle, strategy, multiplayer games, all kinds of different games. And a lot of them pay, $5, $10, $50, or even $100 or more. Now, here's the thing with the Swagbucks games and, this kind of GPT style of making money. Some of the games are free to download and free to play, and you can earn some nice pocket money just for playing video games in your spare time. However, some of the games also require depositing money or spending money, from your account, so they're not exactly free offers. For example, I found a solitaire offer recently, and it pays $35, but you have to deposit $10 of your own money and win enough games to get paid the $35 bonus. So again, I still think this is a pretty cool offer if you were planning on playing this kind of solitaire game anyways, but just keep in mind, some of the gaming offers, they're really lucrative, but they take a little bit more work than you might have thought at first glance. But yeah, moving on from games, one more really popular section on Swagbucks, and one section I actually love and don't use enough of, is its cashback shopping section. So this basically lets you earn cash back when you shop online at hundreds of brands. So it's kind of similar to Rakuten, and you could often earn 1 to 5% cash back in the form of Swagbucks, but sometimes earn even more. And so I really suggest checking out this section the next time you have some kind of online shopping trip coming up. Again, I use Rakuten a lot more. I've used Swagbucks once or twice to shop in the past. I think it has really, really great brands. It has some pretty competitive cashback rates. So again, you might be able to earn, 5% the next time you buy something online, or, get some cash back if you're booking a trip, that kind of thing. But anyways, guys, those are kind of the 3 main ways people make money with Swagbucks. But I want to wrap up this section in particular by covering some of its newer features that a lot of people don't know about yet, because again, the platform keeps adding different ways to make money. The first one, which I really like, is its new magic receipts feature. And this basically lets you get paid for uploading grocery receipts with everyday items on it. And so you can earn cash back for buying things like fruit, bread, cleaning supplies, cereal, and then lots of other specific products. So again, what's nice about magic receipts is like you can just go to the grocery store and then upload your receipt and get some Swagbucks back for buying everyday products. But you can also find some product specific ones that pay, $1 to $5 in cash back, which is pretty cool. Another new Swagbucks features that's available in the United States is Swagbucks Dining. So it now has this new kind of dining deals section where you can link a card to your Swagbucks account, and if you shop with that card at a participating restaurant in your area, you earn cash back. So again, that's only in the United States, but the platform does keep adding, new ways to earn. You can also earn by inviting your friends to join the app, so there's a referral program. So again, really versatile GPT site with new offers being added all the time, which is one of Swagbucks' main selling points. But all right, time to talk about the earning potential and how you cash out. How much can you actually expect to make with Swagbucks, and what are the rewards? And again, let me just start out by saying GPT sites are not a full-time income opportunity. There are lots of people out there who talk about Swagbucks and they say, oh, you'll make like, $200 a day or $50 an hour. That's simply not true. Do not expect that from Swagbucks. And guys, really how much you make with this site kind of depends on the types of offers you go for. For example, if you just stick with surveys, I think making anywhere from about $2 to $6 per hour is realistic, and it really comes down to how often you get disqualified when answering surveys and how many surveys you qualify for in the first place. Now, if you're branching into some of the other sections like the gaming offers or the cashback, you can earn lots more, but again, it depends on how much effort you're willing to put in and what the offers are at the time you're using Swagbucks. Now, one pro tip I want to mention quickly, and one thing that I used back in college, which was quite useful, is to use Swagbucks Discover and Deals section. So there's actually a really cool Discover section where you earn cash back for trying new products and services. And you can often find deals paying $10 to $100 or even more for things like opening a new savings account, trying new PC games, or signing up for free trials and things like that. So again, the platform has some pretty juicy sign-up bonuses. I mean, again, there are lots of ones out there, like they'll pay you $50 for opening a savings account. And if you're on the market for a new savings account anyways, you might as well get paid from Swagbucks just for opening an account. Now, in terms of rewards, how do you cash out with Swagbucks? Well, for starters, you can cash out with PayPal Cash after you earn $5, which is a pretty standard GPT kind of rate. And the company also lets you redeem dozens of different gift cards. Now, plenty of gift card rewards start at $3 to $5 worth of points, and you can redeem ones to companies like Amazon, Starbucks, Walmart, Best Buy, Nintendo, Old Navy, and plenty more. Now, Swagbucks sends all of these rewards electronically, and again, I've been using Swagbucks since my phone farming days in college. I've earned a couple $100s with Swagbucks over the years. Now, I can't show you just one account because I've been banned from Swagbucks back in my phone farming days, so I had a newer account. I'll put a screenshot up on the screen that shows, I've earned almost $50 in the Swagbucks account. It has a lot of survey disqualifications, as you can see, so surveys weren't working that well for this particular account. But yeah, I cashed out with PayPal, I cashed out with an Amazon gift card, with most of my earnings coming from surveys, the referral program, and watching some videos through Swagbucks Video Reward Portal back in the day. So yeah, guys, I haven't really used Swagbucks that much over the last year or so, but again, I used it heaps during college. I've been keeping up with the industry and different changes going on, and to this day, Swagbucks is one of the most popular companies out there, pays its members on time. It sometimes bans people. I got banned for using a VPN, I think, back in the day, and I got banned for phone farming because I was using Swagbucks on like 8 different devices from one IP address, so I kind of deserve the ban. But yeah, it's a super reliable company, pays its members on time, it has positive reviews out there, so yeah, pretty straightforward stuff. But anyways, guys, that's how rewards and cashing out sort of works on Swagbucks. And now I just want to wrap up this section with some pro tips you can use to take your earnings to the next level if you decide to sign up with Swagbucks. And my first tip would really just be to get in the habit of searching on Swagbucks before you shop. There are so many times I've bought something online and then realized I haven't earned cash back because I could have used Rakuten or Swagbucks. So just get in that habit and kind of visit the site before you shop. And on that note, my second pro tip is to download the Swag button. It's actually an extension Swagbucks has that notifies you of cashback deals when you shop, so you don't miss out on free money. And my third tip would just be to download the Swagbucks app. It's a pretty decent app. It's pretty user friendly, and so it's a nice way to earn while you're on the go. You can answer surveys on the city bus, or you can check out different offers and again play games on your phone and get paid for doing so. Yeah, guys, those are my tips for maximizing your earnings with Swagbucks. Again, it's a site I've used for quite a while, but to wrap up this scam or legit video, we're gonna go through the pros and cons like we always do, so let's get into it. All right, so what are the pros of Swagbucks and why might you sign up for this platform? Well, really the first pro just has to be that there are tons of different ways to earn. Like I mentioned, one of the most versatile GPT sites out there, and it's pretty much always adding new offers every single day. The second pro is just the low cash out requirements. Again, $5 for PayPal Cash, pretty competitive, and some of the gift cards only take $3 worth of points to cash out. And the third pro is just that Swagbucks is available in plenty of countries. It's not the most internationally friendly survey site. I have a guide on disonlineworld.com that covers international survey sites, so I'll link that down below. But again, it's in dozens of countries, which is pretty decent. All right, now for the cons, the ugly. Why might Swagbucks make you want to pull out your hair? Well, for me, one of the largest cons with this site over the years has been that survey disqualifications can be annoying. But in fairness, this is kind of just how online surveys work. So sometimes you get disqualified a lot and you have a bad day, and sometimes you don't really get disqualified and you have a good day. The second con I want to mention are just account bans. I've had a few accounts banned with Swagbucks over the years, which is why I can't show you my account anymore that had most of the earnings. But again, I was phone farming. I used a VPN once. So my advice, don't use VPNs. Don't do anything that might break the terms of service because you will get get banned and you will lose your account and be sad like me. And really just the third con I want to mention is that there is a nice $10 sign-up bonus that Swagbucks offers if you sign up and spend at least $25 on a qualifying shopping offer. But this sign-up bonus is only available in the United States and sometimes Canada, so it's not for everyone, which is a bit of a downside, but at least there is a sign-up bonus. Anyways, guys, what is the scam or legit score for Swagbucks? Well, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5 for this one. And really a large part of this rating comes from the fact that Swagbucks is a top site, and it's been a top site for years, and that's for several reasons. And really one of the main reasons is that it just has so many different ways to earn. I mean, a lot of other smaller GPT companies, they go out of business or they run out of earning offers, or maybe they don't even pay their members because they kind of, the business goes downhill and they can't afford to. But Swagbucks has big pockets. It pays its members, it adds new offers all the time, and it's been around for over 10 years, I think. So again, it's a leader for a reason, and it's a bit more reputable than some of the newer sites in the space. I also like that it keeps innovating. It adds things like magic receipts, adds dining deals, and it keeps on mixing things up, which is always nice to see. Again, I think the surveys can be hit or miss for people. You have to also follow the rules so you don't get banned. But again, I think it's a stock standard GPT website that's doing quite a few things right. But anyways, guys, that does it for this Swagbucks review and episode of Scam or Legit. I hope you have enjoyed. I'm going to be linking Swagbucks down below, as well as my review on disonlineworld.com if you want to check either of those out and help support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate the support, guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out disonlineworld.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.